If you want to improve the lighting in your studio, check out this budget-friendly light combo. A lot of people use this combo specifically for photography, but you can also use it for videography. Take a look at this detail on the wall here. There's no windows in the room. However, we're able to simulate with this light combination something that can add some texture to the room. And it comes in all just under $300. See, our main key light here for this setup is going to be the Neewer FS230, which runs in roughly around $160 depending on where you purchase it. And you're gonna pair it with the well-making Snoot that comes in also around $150 to $160. So if you're looking for an option that can add some textures to your room, I would highly suggest that you check this out. See, I just added this to my set, and the way this works is it is a hot-cold color temperature that you can adjust with the Neewer that feeds into the Snoot here. See, the cool thing about the Snoots is they come with these little sliders that you can take these patterns. You could also probably purchase your own and have them custom made, but these patterns have the light shoot straight through them to be able to project what you can see on the wall here. I love this setup. It does get hot. Like, this is smoking hot right now, but what I will say is it adds this like really cool design onto the walls that you're projecting, you know, behind your subject. So if you're doing a podcast and you want to have some texture behind, but you don't want to buy furniture, you can use this lighting setup. Now, because it gets hot, the only downfall that I don't like about this setup is it comes with these color gels. These color gels are a little too thin, and this light is a little bit too powerful for them not to melt. So what I would suggest is if you're doing this light Snoot combo, I would suggest you sourcing gels from a different supplier or finding something that's a little bit stronger of a material that's not gonna melt from heat that's going through it. Otherwise, I'm really loving this setup. It comes in around $300, maybe a little bit more than $300. Not only can you use this for your Snoot, but you can use the Neewer FS230 for a key light as well. You just have to have the right attachment. See, when I was looking for Snoots, I was like not too sure because I'd never used them before, and because of that, I wasn't too sure if the pair and the combo would actually click together and everything would work. However, since I've done it, I hope this video can help you, because for me, I was looking and there's a ton of different light modifiers that you can find in different types of Snoot combos, but for me, I went with this combination and I honestly am loving the results of it. If you found this video helpful and you're trying to figure out your own combination, check out our full studio walkthrough of this space that we just built here so that you can see how it applies and you can try it out for your own studio.